Have you ever wondered why, no matter how little you eat or how many meals you skip, the stubborn fat around your belly refuses to go away? Or why your energy crashes in the afternoon and you suddenly crave a sugary snack or a heavy carb meal, even if you promised yourself you'd be good today? The truth is, sugar and hidden carbohydrates have a powerful grip on your metabolism, and it's not your fault. Most packaged foods, restaurant meals, and even so-called healthy snacks are secretly loaded with them. But imagine if you could eat delicious food, feel full and satisfied, and still melt fat, reverse insulin resistance, and boost your energy. That's the promise of a zero-carb, zero-sugar approach to eating. And in today's video, we're going to show you the absolute best foods with no carbs and no sugar. Foods you can eat every single day without guilt, without worry, and with the confidence that you're fueling your body the right way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to put on your plate to naturally reduce belly fat, balance blood sugar, and feel better than you have in years, without any pills, powders, or crash diets. Now, let's begin by understanding why zero-carb and zero-sugar foods matter so much. When you eat carbohydrates, especially refined ones like white bread, pasta, rice, or baked goods, your body converts them into glucose. That glucose spikes your blood sugar and triggers a surge of insulin, a hormone that tells your body to store fat. Repeated spikes and drops in blood sugar also leave you tired, moody, and hungry again just a few hours later. Sugar, on the other hand, goes even further. It inflames your cells, suppresses your immune system, feeds harmful gut bacteria, and accelerates aging. Over time, eating a high-carb or high-sugar diet puts you at risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even dementia. But here's the good news. When you remove carbs and sugar from your diet and focus on whole, clean, zero-carb foods, your body begins to heal. Your insulin levels drop, your fat-burning hormones activate, and you naturally feel more energized, clear-headed, and in control of your hunger. So, what are these miracle foods with no carbs and no sugar? Let's start with one of the most perfect foods on earth. Eggs. Whole eggs, including the yolk, are completely free of carbohydrates and sugar. They're rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like choline, vitamin D, selenium, and B12. Eggs are extremely satisfying and versatile. You can boil them, scramble them, fry them in butter, or bake them into muffins with veggies. And because they don't raise blood sugar or insulin, they keep you full for longer and reduce cravings. Next on our list is grass-fed beef and organ meats. While some people are afraid of red meat, clean, pasture-raised beef is actually one of the most nutrient-dense, zero-carb foods available. It's rich in iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and conjugated linoleic acid, which helps reduce body fat and increase lean muscle. And if you're adventurous, don't skip the liver. Beef liver is loaded with vitamin A, copper, folate, and CoQ10, which support energy, brain health, and detoxification. These meats contain absolutely no sugar or carbohydrates and can be grilled, roasted, or pan-fried with herbs and spices. Speaking of protein, fatty fish like wild-caught salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are some of the best zero-carb foods you can eat. Not only do they contain zero sugar and carbs, but they're also packed with anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain function, protect the heart, and improve insulin sensitivity. A simple grilled salmon fillet with a drizzle of lemon and olive oil can keep you full for hours while nourishing your body on a cellular level. Let's not forget shellfish like shrimp, crab, lobster, and scallops. These delicious seafoods are naturally carbohydrate-free, high in protein, and loaded with trace minerals like iodine, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients are crucial for proper thyroid function, immune strength, and energy production. Plus, shellfish are low in calories and can be enjoyed steamed, grilled, or sautéed with herbs. Now, one of the most overlooked but powerful zero-carb options is poultry, particularly skin-on chicken thighs, turkey, and duck. Unlike lean breast meat, these fattier cuts offer a better balance of protein and fat, which helps control hunger and maintain steady energy levels. As long as you avoid breading and frying, poultry is a clean, zero-carb choice that can be roasted, baked, or grilled with your favorite seasonings. And don't skip the skin. It's rich in collagen and glycine, which support joint, gut, and skin health. Let's move on to animal fats. Pure fats like beef tallow, pork lard, duck fat, and bone marrow. These are 100% fat and contain absolutely zero carbs or sugar. Despite decades of misinformation, saturated animal fats, when sourced from healthy animals, are extremely stable for cooking and provide long-lasting energy. They also support the production of hormones, cell membranes, and brain function. You can use them to fry your eggs, roast your vegetables, or even melt them over meat for added flavor and nutrition. One of the most common and widely available zero-carb fats is butter, specifically grass-fed butter and its clarified version, ghee. Butter contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and boosts brain function. Ghee is even better for people who are lactose sensitive since it's free of casein and milk solids. A dollop of butter or ghee in your coffee, eggs, or vegetables can enhance taste and provide you with powerful, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K2. Now, let's talk cheese. Not all cheeses are created equal, but many aged, hard cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, Swiss, and Parmesan contain almost zero carbs and no sugar. They're rich in calcium, vitamin K2, and protein, making them excellent for bone health and hormone balance. Full-fat cheeses also increase satiety, helping you feel satisfied and curb cravings. Just avoid processed cheese slices or low-fat versions, which often contain added starches and fillers. Another healing food you should include is bone broth. While it's technically a liquid, bone broth made from slow-simmered bones contains zero sugar, zero carbs, and is loaded with collagen, glycine, and minerals that help heal your gut lining, support joints, and reduce inflammation. You can sip it like a tea, use it as a base for soups, or add herbs for extra nutrition. It's deeply nourishing and an excellent replacement for sugary snacks or comfort foods. What about flavor? That's where fermented animal foods like anchovies, fish sauce, and fermented egg yolks come in. These contain no sugar or carbs and are bursting with natural umami flavor. They also contain probiotics and enzymes that aid digestion and balance the gut microbiome. Just a small amount can bring life to an otherwise bland dish. Now, let's address drinks. Water is always king, but sometimes you need more variety. The best zero-carb, zero-sugar drinks include unsweetened herbal teas like peppermint, chamomile, and ginger. They calm digestion, reduce stress, and hydrate the body. Black coffee is another winner. It supports mental clarity, boosts metabolism, and contains no carbs or sugar. Just skip the creamers and flavor syrups. Sparkling mineral water is also a great way to stay hydrated and replace soda without consuming sweeteners. And to add electrolytes naturally, try adding a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and a squeeze of lemon. As you can see, eating foods with no carbs and no sugar doesn't mean giving up flavor, nutrients, or enjoyment. In fact, these foods offer more satiety, stability, and nourishment than carb-heavy alternatives. You don't need bread, pasta, or sugary snacks to feel full. You just need to focus on real, whole foods that support your metabolism. Now, we uncovered some of the most powerful zero-carb and zero-sugar foods from the animal world, like eggs, fatty fish, grass-fed meats, butter, and bone broth that help stabilize blood sugar, fuel your body, and reduce inflammation. But if you're wondering what else you can eat on a sugar-free and carb-free journey, especially when it comes to vegetables, oils, flavors, and snacks, this part of the video is for you. Let's start with one of the biggest misconceptions out there, that vegetables are always high in carbs. In truth, many non-starchy vegetables contain so few net carbohydrates that they barely affect your blood sugar at all. These vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but contain virtually zero digestible carbs, especially when eaten in moderation. For example, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and arugula are nutrient-dense greens that can be eaten in large quantities without worrying about carbs. A cup of spinach has less than 1 gram of net carbs and provides you with iron, folate, and magnesium. You can eat it raw in salads, saute it in olive oil, or blend it into a green smoothie. Broccoli and cauliflower, though slightly higher in carbs, are also excellent choices when steamed or roasted. These cruciferous vegetables are high in fiber and support liver detoxification, especially important when you're cutting sugar and allowing your body to repair itself. Next, let's talk about asparagus, zucchini, and cucumbers, 3 veggies that are light, hydrating, and practically carb-free. Asparagus, in particular, is a natural diuretic and helps reduce water retention. Zucchini can be spiralized into noodles or used as a base in casseroles, and cucumbers are excellent in salads or infused in water. All of these vegetables not only help your body detox from sugar, but also keep your meals vibrant and satisfying without insulin spikes. One food that deserves its own spotlight is the avocado. While technically a fruit, avocado is extremely low in net carbs, high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, and packed with potassium, much more than bananas, but without the sugar. The fat in avocados helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and the creamy texture can make any zero-carb meal feel luxurious and filling. You can eat avocado on its own, mash it with lime and herbs to make guacamole, or use it as a topping on eggs, fish, or salads. Moving into the world of fats and oils, we need to clear up another common myth. Not all fats are created equal. In fact, choosing the right oils is critical when you're eliminating sugar and carbs, because many seed oils like soybean, canola, corn, and sunflower are highly processed and inflammatory. Instead, the best oils with 0 carbs and 0 sugar are extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and MCT oil. These oils are not only 100% fat, but also come with unique health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and has been shown in numerous studies to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support brain health due to its high content of oleocanthal and polyphenols. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking, and is rich in vitamin E. Coconut oil and MCT oil provide medium-chain triglycerides that bypass the regular digestive process and go straight to the liver to be converted into ketones. Fuel for your brain and body that doesn't require insulin. These fats are perfect for frying, roasting, or drizzling over vegetables. They help you feel full and satisfied and ensure you absorb all the vital nutrients from your meals. Now, let's talk about flavor, because 0 sugar doesn't mean 0 taste. You don't need sugary sauces or carb-heavy condiments to enjoy your food. Instead, spice it up with herbs and spices that not only taste great, but also offer medicinal properties. Turmeric, for example, contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Cinnamon helps lower blood sugar. Cumin, oregano, basil, rosemary, and thyme are all virtually carb-free and loaded with essential oils that support digestion, liver function, and immunity. Use them liberally in your cooking, and your meals will be anything but bland. Even garlic and onions, while slightly higher in carbs, can be used in small quantities to add depth and complexity to your dishes without kicking you out of your carb-free zone. Just roast, sauté, or blend them with oils to create delicious bases for soups and sauces. What about snacks? This is where most people fall off track because, honestly, typical snacks are packed with carbs and sugars, even if they're labeled as low-fat or healthy. But you don't have to go hungry or give up your favorite crunch. Try beef jerky, but make sure it's sugar-free and not loaded with preservatives. Pork rinds are another 0-carb snack option. They're crunchy, salty, and satisfying. Boiled eggs are portable and filling. Cheese sticks made from full-fat, hard cheese are perfect between meals. Even a spoon of almond butter or macadamia nuts in small amounts can give you lasting energy without sugar spikes. Just remember, nuts do contain trace carbs, so portion control is key. When it comes to beverages, water is always the best choice, but you can keep it interesting by infusing it with cucumber, lemon, mint, or even apple cider vinegar, which supports blood sugar control and digestion. Herbal teas like peppermint, chamomile, hibiscus, or ginger tea contain no sugar, no carbs, and provide additional healing benefits. Black coffee without sugar or milk is also carb-free and can support mental clarity and fat burning. Be cautious with sweeteners, though. Even natural ones like stevia or monk fruit can sometimes trigger cravings or digestive upset in sensitive people, so listen to your body and experiment cautiously. Now, let's answer the big question. Can a 0-carb, 0-sugar diet actually provide all the nutrients your body needs? Well, the short answer is yes if you choose the right foods. Nutrients like protein, fat, vitamins A, D, E, K, B12, iron, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc are all found in the foods we've talked about. Your body doesn't actually need carbs to survive. It can make glucose from protein through a process called gluconeogenesis. In fact, when you eliminate sugar and refined carbohydrates, you reduce inflammation, lower insulin resistance, and help your body return to its natural fat-burning state. After just a few days of removing sugar and carbs, most people notice fewer cravings, better sleep, clearer thinking, and more stable energy throughout the day. You don't feel hungry all the time, you stop thinking about food constantly, and your mood really levels out. Many people also report losing stubborn belly fat, especially when they combine this way of eating with light movement or intermittent fasting. If you're just getting started, here's a simple zero-carb meal plan to follow. Start your day with scrambled eggs cooked in butter and topped with herbs like chives or oregano. Mid-morning, sip on black coffee or herbal tea. For lunch, enjoy a large plate of grilled salmon on a bed of arugula and cucumbers, drizzled with olive oil and lemon. Snack on boiled eggs or a handful of macadamia nuts. For dinner, go with roasted chicken thighs with asparagus sautéed in avocado oil and sip on bone broth before bed. That's a full day of delicious meals, all with zero sugar, zero carbs, and loaded with nutrients. The key is to plan ahead, keep it simple, and build your meals around protein, fat, and non-starchy vegetables. Once you get into the rhythm, this becomes second nature, and your body will thank you. And remember, this isn't a restrictive diet, it's a powerful shift back to the way our bodies are meant to eat. Clean, whole, natural foods with no artificial junk, no crashes, and no guilt. If you've made it this far in the video, you now have a complete blueprint for healing your body with the best foods that contain no carbs and no sugar. You've learned about the right proteins, fats, vegetables, oils, snacks, and drinks. You've understood the science behind why sugar and carbs can harm your health and how removing them can transform your energy, metabolism, and even your mood. Now, take action. Look at your kitchen. What foods need to go? What can you bring in from the list we've shared today? Start with small changes. Replace sugary snacks with hard-boiled eggs or olives. Swap seed oils for olive oil. Add a serving of avocado to your meal. Drink herbal tea instead of soda. Within a week, you'll feel the difference. And within a month, your body will begin to thank you in ways you never expected. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take control of your health naturally, please like this video. It tells the algorithm to show it to more people who need it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we're always uploading new tips, foods, and strategies for natural healing, weight loss, and energy. And share this video with a friend or loved one who might be struggling with sugar addiction or carb cravings. You might just change their life. The journey to better health doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins with your very next bite. Choose well, eat real, and we'll see you in the next video.